How to enable or disable dark mode in Opera browser. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Opera browser and further tap on the three dots on the bottom right of your screen. You will then see the settings option. Tap on that. Now, in the settings page, navigate to the theme option and tap on that. Now, go ahead and tap on the dark option in order to enable dark mode in Opera browser. And if you want to disable dark mode, then simply go ahead and tap on the light option you see there, and with this, the dark mode will be disabled. So, this is how you can enable or disable dark mode in Opera browser. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.